Have you ever wondered how this regular guy that doesn't even have a job is able to afford a Ferrari in front of their mansion? If yes, then probably you heard about investing, the art of using your money or even debt in order to create wealth. Nowadays, because of the internet, we have endless opportunities to make profit from instruments like real estate, stocks, cryptocurrencies, bonds, ETFs, and the list goes on. But how can you use these instruments in order to make your dreams come true? Usually when people talk about them, they seem to be so complex, and moreover, the risk of losing money made you give up on your dream to become financially free. Seeing this problem among my friends, I decided to create a channel where I can explain those words and also demonstrate how you can use them in order to achieve your financial goals. If you want to learn more about investing fundamentals and why it is important to invest rather than just save your money, then click right here, where I created a video on a specific topic. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for future tutorials. You watch The Money Maker, and until next time, rock it, baby!